So basically we were able to do advanced calculator, which uses a feature of calculator, right? So this is extends. Now what if in future, let's say we got one more requirement. We want to build a, let's say, scientific calculator, and I don't know the operation, so I will just say advanced calculator. I'm very bad with names, so I will just use this. And this advanced calculator will have extra feature. Let's say it also has a feature of finding the power of a number. Okay, so let's say public int. I can simply say power. Now what do you mean power? Let's say 3:2. I want to do that. So it will take two numbers, the first value n1, and I also want a power, let's say n2. And let's say this will return, okay, how do we do the power? So basically we have a math class. I can just simply use it. Math dot, we have a function of power. It just take double value, but that's fine. I will just pass integer. Double also takes integer value, n1, n2. And the problem is it also returns the double value. If you can see, power returns a double value. So what I will do is, let me return double value, okay? So you have a choice, you can return double value, or you can just typecast it with int and you can do that. Otherwise, double is okay. So you can see we have a power function which takes this method and it calculates. Now the thing is, if I want to create object of power, where I will do that, I will just create that in demo. I will say, hey, if someone wants to try very advanced calculator, they can do that, okay? It's just that very advanced calculator, if you can see, we don't have any other methods. Okay, now that's an issue, right? Now I know in your mind you have a solution, right? You have a choice. You can just add, you can just type all these methods here, or we can come back here and say extends. Okay, now it will extend what? If we can also say calculator, but then this will only have addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, but not the feature of advanced calculator, which is, oh, it will not have this two as well, because this two is there in advanced calculator. It will only have add and sub. You can see multi and division not found. In fact, I should also have R3. In fact, this should be of type double. Double R5 equal to obj dot power by passing two values. One is, let's say, 4:2. At least we know the output. It should be 16. And I also want to print R5. Oh, we are printing everything in one line. Great. And you can see multi and division not working. So if you want to make it work, you can't just extend calculator. You have to extend advanced calculator. So you can see we have multiple hierarchy here. So very advanced calculator is extending advanced calculator. Advanced calculator is extending calculator. So if you try to compile this code, let's see if this works, compile and run. You can see it's working. You got 16 at the end. You got 0.0 because we are returning a double value. This works. So if you try to imagine this, what we are doing is, so we have a calculator, and then advanced calculator is extending calculator, and then we got very advanced calculator which is extending from advanced calculator. Now this is when you are saying multiple where we are doing inheritance, right? So this is called multi-level inheritance. So basically we have multi-level inheritance here because we have multiple level. But in the earlier example, we were having just two, right? So we were having this two. Now when you say only two classes, this is called single level inheritance. And I know I became a doctor there, but you got the point, right? So if you have multiple layers, that is multi-level inheritance. And when you say single, that is single, when you have only two classes. Now the very advanced calculator here is taking the feature from advanced calculator. Advanced calculator is taking the feature from calculator. So by default, all the calc stuff will come to very advanced, and that is multi-level.